Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are installing some induction kit which has been provided, so thank you to the people that have provided that for me. But it sounds quite nice. I've been driving it for a while and bits and pieces, and it sounds quite nice. I had some turbo noises and bits and pieces, which I'll add a clip in a minute. And yeah, I'll show you how you put it in. There is some difficult bits, but I'll say in the video where they are and think if it's worth the money for you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy. Hold on. Before we continue this clip, I gotta say, fitting the air filter onto the physical pipe was more difficult than it should be. You would fit it on and do it up, and it would just constantly slip off or fall off when the engine is running or bits and pieces. So I had to I probably spent half an hour just getting that physically on. Other than that, it's cut, it stays on now. I've driven it for 600 odd miles, but there'll be another video on the wear and tear, which happens because there is wear and tear. The physical box does not sit right in the car, and it causes some things and issues, which if you keep an eye out for the other video, it will be coming up in once the vehicle's done 1,000 miles, which is all eco driving, racing around and so much yourself. So anyway, back to the video.